Welcome to the premier YouTube channel for shipping container projects from around the world. In this video, we bring to you a modular container tiny home in Youngsville, Upstate New York. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing shipping container tiny home. Welcome back. This is a stunning one-bedroom, one-bathroom tiny home by Steele House, which is part of Team Steele design. It is built from two 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side to create 640 square feet of habitable space. A small projection at the front of the house made from cutouts are welded together to create an outdoor mudroom and storage area that also serves as a small woodshed next to the entrance porch. The house is raised upon a steel pier foundation, which ensures that the construction impact on the site is minimal and the soil beneath can aerate and absorb rainwater runoff. The containers were fabricated off-site, where the container walls were cut out for window and door openings to create sufficient daylighting and cross-ventilation in the house. Before the containers were delivered on site, they were primed out and rust-proofed throughout the exterior with anti-corrosive paint. The containers were delivered on a flatbed truck, and a crane used to hoist the containers onto the steel pier foundation. The containers were welded together and also on the steel pier foundation to hold the house in place. The internal container walls were cut out to create an open plan living space. An additional lean-to roof was built with timber trusses on top of the containers to keep the interior spaces cool and to also protect the containers from the elements. The attic space above the shipping containers is framed out and covered with plasterboard, ready to receive a waterproof finish. A big wraparound deck was constructed from the entrance porch and along the entire length of the shipping container, fronting the living room and the bedroom. Well-seasoned timber studs were used to frame out the entire ceiling and the container walls, plus the interior partitions, in order to demarcate all the indoor spaces. All the glass doors and windows were installed to make the house watertight, ready for internal works. The two exposed container walls on the front container are cladded with cedar lattice, which creates an elegant exterior finish. The cedar lattice helps to highlight the entrance porch and the elevation on the deck, in contrast with the predominantly gray-colored container exterior. The plasterboard on the attic space of the roof is finished with corrugated steel to celebrate the industrial aesthetic of the design. The corrugated steel is also used on the underside of the eaves around the building. A small staircase connecting to the deck anchors the building onto the ground as the main access to the large outdoor deck and the main entrance to the house. Apart from the impressive exterior, the house is of highest quality even on the inside. The big glass front door welcomes you into a well-lit open-plan living space, nicely furnished with a cozy lounge space with a comfy couch, a custom coffee table, and a beautiful floor mat to define the lounge area. The kitchen is a compact modern space next to the entrance. It has modern countertops, a double sink, apartment-sized appliances overhead, and under the counter cabinet storage. The kitchen sink sits in front of a large glass window which floods the sink space and the kitchen with natural light, framing out the beautiful view of the lush green environment. The most outstanding feature in the living room is the custom-designed fireplace, which is used to heat up the house during cold weather. There is also an exposed corrugated container wall behind the fireplace, which highlights the amazing graffiti of visiting friends and family who can sign the wall with a goodwill message for the host. Next to the kitchen is an impressive breakfast nook with banquet seating with under the bench storage, creating an intimate space for dining and entertainment. On the far end of the living room is a big bathroom and bedroom. A lavish bathroom features exquisite fittings and finishes, including a fully tiled shower stall with tempered glass frameless cubicle and a custom shower head with amazing bathroom storage attached to it. Worth noting is the floor-to-ceiling slit window that fills the bathroom awash with natural light with a view of the lush green outdoors. The bedroom is a separate space big enough to accommodate a double bed. The bedroom is fitted with a big wooden barn door for privacy. In addition, there is a big floor-to-ceiling slit window for ample daylighting and unrestricted views of the deck and the rolling farm viewed from the bedroom. So the bathroom is a laundry cupboard big enough to accommodate a stackable washer and dryer. From inside, there's no feeling of confinement, synonymous with container spaces. The home is fitted with high-performance windows for maximum daylighting and unrestricted views of the farmland. The windows can be opened to allow for cross breezes to cut through the living space for natural ventilation. The color palette for the house interior is light to create an interior space that is bright and modern with clean lines throughout, embellished with selected furniture pieces and accessories. The house floor is finished with high-quality flooring, which gives the indoors a sleek, modern look. From the living room, a big sliding glass door opens onto the big outdoor deck, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor interaction for outdoor living. The deck offers a great place for entertaining and to enjoy a view of the cut hayfield in front of the home. The banquet dining in the open-plan living room is our most outstanding feature of the house. Which part of this amazing container tiny home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion by posting in the comment section below, and feel free to share this video. If you want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and remember to click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. If you have a shipping container project or a container rental, you can have it featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. Kindly get in touch on our website sheltermode.com or contact us at ShelterMod on all social media pages. Without further ado, let's get started.